Hey everyone, and welcome back to A Cup of Chic. So today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to style the Louis Vuitton Pochette Metis. That is this bag here. I have it in the reverse canvas. Normally it would just have the classic monogram all over it. I do believe this one is still available. I'll have a link to this one and the original one down below. But yeah, this bag is super awesome. I'll have a link down below as well to my unboxing and review of this. And stay tuned because I don't know if it's the next video or the video after, but I'm doing an updated review on this bag, letting you guys know how much I wear it, what I use it for, wear and tear, all that kind of stuff. So make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss that. And without further ado, let's get on into the video.
And I will never sell my soul, but you could buy the lease. And don't believe in make believe, just make your ends meet. Say a weekend and the weekend, never stress a thing. And we gon' go another day when we don't disagree. And when the sun's shining, regardless if you do believe. Hey, still awaken in the morning when I see your face. Need you more when you go, I need you more every day. Keep a foot on the brake in case I lose all control. Yeah, so baby, don't lose control. I'm focused on you, baby. Lately you've been in my aim. I've been reaching out for you and still they're so far away. Looking through the smoke in the mirror. Crazy how I see you so clear. Crazy how I see you so clear. And how you make me smile. And how you make me smile, oh yeah. And how you make me smile, oh baby, how you make me smile. Smile more when I see you. Smile less when I miss you. No, I don't wanna be left alone. Oh no. Smile more when you come back. Smile more when I see you. Smile more when the sun shines bright. Believe me, I need you. Smile more when you blow me up. Smile more when I see your face. Smile more when I feel love. Smile less when I need to let go. Let go. Smile less when I let go. You know I won't fall. Smile more when I see you. Smile less when I miss you. No, I don't wanna be left alone. Don't leave me here alone.
Okay guys, that was it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to comment down below letting me know which outfit was your favorite. I'm curious to hear. Also, if you haven't already, make sure you are subscribed and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!